Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining me. This is Keegan Edwards with Liquid and Pet Store websites. And in today's video, we are going to be examining how to use in-store pickup using the Proximity app from Liquid. So the way that this works is if you're at this point, you're probably offering delivery as well as shipping through Endless Aisles. And you may be at a point where you're ready to allow customers to check out on your website and pick up in your store. Now, in order to accomplish this, there's going to be a similar pop-up that you're used to recognizing that occurs on your site. So I'm going to be doing everything on a demonstration site called PSW Beta, and it's a beta site. And when I arrive at the website, the first thing that happens as a customer is I'm prompted to enter my postal code. So I put in my postal code, which is 27502, and click Find. And you'll see that this store has multiple stores, which would mean there'd be multiple options for me to pick up in store. So I'm going to select the Cary location, which is the location closest to my zip code. So I'll select my store. And now I'm just going to check out the product catalog. So I'm first going to check this Blue Buffalo, and I'm going to see here on the product page for this product, I have in-store pickup available and I have same-day delivery available. Now, just to compare that, I'm going to go back and look at the product right next to it, and I'll see that I do not have store pickup available to me at my store location, which is the Cary location. So for this product, I would only have delivery or only have shipping available to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to that first product that we saw here that is available for store pickup and delivery. I'm going to add that to my cart. Now, as a customer, I'm also going to go back to first page here, and I'm going to select this product, which I see is not available for store pickup. And I'm also going to add that to my cart. Now I'm going to go and view my cart. And you'll see that on the product that's not carried in the store, there's 2 to 3 day shipping available. On the product that is available in the store, you'll see that in-store pickup available, same-day delivery is available, and this product is actually offered through Endless Aisles as well. So as a customer, I could choose to have this shipped to my store. It's shipped to my house as well. So I can see the options that I have available for both products. So I'm going to continue and check out. So I'm going to enter my email address here, and it's going to fill out some of my information. I'm going to put in here 123 test address as my address. I'll leave the city as Durham, United States, North Carolina, and I'm going to change the zip code to that same zip code that I used before, which would be the zip code where your customer lives. So I click continue. And now I'm going to be presented with a couple different options. So I'm going to be presented with the option for in-store pickup and 2 to 3 day shipping, or I'll be presented with the option for local delivery and 2 to 3 days shipping. And you can see the difference in price. So for this specific example, in-store pickup is free, which it always is, but it's $5.95 for shipping a product. So in this instance, I'll have one product available, the one that was available in store, which is the Blue Buffalo adult salmon and potato recipe, and I'll be able to pick that up in store, and then 2 to 3 day shipping on the other product, which I'll be charged $5.95 for. So I'm going to continue the payment method, and here I'll enter in my zip code or into my payment information. So I'm going to use a fake credit card number. I'm going to use name John Smith. Put a date in here and a fake CVV. Then I'll just click use same as shipping address for my billing address. And I'm going to click complete order. Now, when I do that, it'll take me to this and it'll say in-store pickup partial because part of my order will be available for store pickup. It'll say preparing order. Now, on the back end of your Shopify account, you'll log in. So I'm going to bring up this tab where I'm already logged into the back end of the test account, and you will see a new order in the back end of your system. So I'm going to click on order 1059, the order that was just placed, and I'm going to see that there was 2 items in there. I know that I don't carry this in my store, so I know that has to go through Endless Aisles, and I know that this is something I carry in my store, so this is what the customer is going to pick up. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to More Actions and go down to Advanced Fulfillment and check to make sure that my fulfillment method is set appropriately for each item. So for the Endless Aisles item, set to Endless Aisles. For the store item, it's locked in as store because the customer selected store pickup at checkout. And so this is the product that will be picked up in store. So if I go back to the order, I'll just double check here, but I can see that in my shipping, split order, in-store pickup, and 2 to 3 day shipping. So now I'll request the fulfillment, which in this instance, we're just going to be requesting the fulfillment for the store pickup item. So I click Request Fulfillment. I'm not ready to send this item to Endless Aisles yet, so I'm going to go over here and put 0. I'm not going to request the fulfillment for that, and put 1 of 1, which means I'm getting this product ready to fulfill. So 1 of 1, the product in my store I'm getting ready. No tracking number, no carrier, because it's store pickup. So I'm going to go to that, and I'm going to click Fulfill Items. And what we'll see in the next screen is we'll see that 1 item is in the request stage for fulfillment. Now, what's happened in this time period is that my customer has received an order confirmation to their personal email address. So if I go into my personal email address, I received a order confirmation from the store that says PSW Beta, thank you for your purchase. Hi Keegan, we are getting your order ready. Your order contains both items you chose to pick up in our store and items that will be delivered to your address. They'll let you know as soon as your store pickup is ready and also when your other items are on their way. If you have any questions in the meantime, please contact us. And it'll give me a few options here. It'll show me the order summary. So it'll show me the store pickup. So here's the item that I'm going to be able to go and pick up in the store. And here's the item shipping to you, the item that will be shipped to me because it's not available in the store. Then it has the rest of my information. Now, if I click here on View Order, it will take me to the order confirmation page. So this is the same page we saw before that has the order confirmation. Now, what happens is in Shopify, I will need to go in here and once this product is ready, I will need to mark it as fulfilled. So that means that I've taken it off the shelf, taken it out of the back warehouse, and it's all ready for the customer to come in and pick up. So I go into here and I click Mark as Fulfilled. I make sure that this little box is checked to send the notification to the customer, and I mark it as fulfilled. Now, what's going to happen here is the customer is going to receive an email shortly letting them know that that item is ready for store pickup. So I'll come back and show you that in a minute once I receive that email from Shopify. Now, we know that this is all ready to go. It's set up on the counter and the customer can come pick it up. There's two ways that we want them to be notified. We want them to be notified by email, which is processing. And we also want them to be able to see on this page that the order has gone from being prepared to being ready for pickup. So depending on when you're watching this video, this could either be a manual process or this will happen automatically. Right now it's manual, but this should happen automatically soon for customers using Proximity. But in the meantime, let's show you where it is. So if I go in here, back to my order, and I know I've marked this one as fulfilled, I can go to my More Actions dropdown, and I can go down to Advanced Fulfillment again. And under Processed Fulfillments, I have the Store Pickup item here. And there's this little tab that says Preparing Order. I can click Update, and I can change that from Preparing Order ready for pickup, picked up, or canceled. So right now, in this process, I know that this has gone to ready for pickup. So I change that, I get a notification that say pickup status has changed. Now that says ready for pickup. So if I go back to the order confirmation page and I refresh it, now my customer will see the ready for pickup note on the order confirmation page. And it'll show that the one item is getting ready, still preparing for shipment, but what they're picking up in store, which is the Blue Buffalo Basics Adult Salmon and Potato Recipe, is ready for pickup. And it has a map here with the pickup location of where the store is located and the pickup address. So you'll see it's broken out here into the item that's preparing to ship, the item that is ready for store pickup, and what the item is and where they can pick it up. Now at the same time, the customer will have also received another notification saying your order is ready for pickup. So if I go back to this, it says one item in your order is ready for pickup, one item in your order is ready for pickup, and item available for pickup, and it shows which product that is and provides the store location information for the customer to go pick it up. So when you're using Proximity for store pickup, your customer will enter their zip code on your website and select their store. When they check out for store pickup, you'll receive that order on the back end, and you'll go into the order and start fulfilling the item that you're going to allow the customer to pick up in store. Once it's all ready for them, you click Mark as Fulfilled, and your customer will receive an email saying that that item is ready for store pickup. At the same time, you can go into your advanced fulfillment settings and change the status on the order notification page by updating this portion under process fulfillments. And once that's done, all you need to do is interact with the customer when they come into the store, hand them the product or help them carry it to their car and wish them a nice day. And that's how store pickup works using Proximity. Thanks again for joining me. If you have any questions about Proximity or using Shopify in general, please contact your e-commerce administrator or feel free to call us at liquidretailer.com or visit us at petstorewebsites.com, and we'd love to help you out with getting set up with a system like this. Thanks very much and have a great day.